Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, December 6th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Sugar in the Tree. As someone sitting beneath a tree can imagine the earth from above the trees, a heart encumbered by reality can know eternity. As a boy, I spent many hours at sea on a 30-foot ketch my father had built. When the sea would get rough, I'd go below where the noise and motion of the deep would pound the hull, and every toss and lurch would feel sudden and pointed. Finding me there, my father told me how sailors, when feeling seasick, have always made their way on deck to look at the horizon. While that doesn't prevent the pitch and drop of waves in a storm, it is somehow less upsetting if the larger context is kept in view. I have kept this wisdom close to me when pitched and stormed. In truth, whether facing cancer or riding the insecurity of repeated rejection, or trying to surmount the most profound moments of loneliness, my greatest pains and fears have been lessened when I've managed to keep the larger sense of life before me, like a horizon. This is the difference between despair and faith, between the narrow point of doubt and the view long enough to sustain all life-giving possibility. It seems we suffer more when huddled below, and though the eternal perspective, the horizon of all time and all life, doesn't remove us from our storms, it does make things bearable. During the hardest times, keeping my eyes on the horizon has helped me endure such things as the loss of a rib, and the marriage, and the job I love. For staying where we can keep God in view allows the ups and downs to be somewhat predictable. It even shows that suffering has its rhythm. Keeping the larger view can be the difference between thinking life is cruel and knowing that experience is a powerful ocean. In ways that truly matter, God is always on the horizon, and faith is making our way on deck, despite our pain. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be soft and easeful. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. It's good enough the way it is. By the same token, you don't need to fix or change anything about this moment. It is already good enough. See if this reminder helps you enter a space where all your experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, wherever you are, whether it's your bedroom, or maybe at your desk, on a beach, on a bus, just sit quietly and see yourself sitting there from above your bed or desk or bus or beach or wherever you are. kind of be both where you are and above where you are. Now allow yourself to feel the stress or pain of what you're carrying this instant. And breathing slowly, try to see yourself in your life and from above your life. And feel both your stress, pain, suffering, and the universe surrounding all of it. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now, as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, whenever you find yourself huddled in your pain or stress or any kind of suffering, see if you can try to breathe your way to the horizon. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.